how to replace the bands on an Amazfit, Amazfit watch. I'm not sure what they're called. Smartwatches from Amazon. So basically this band is broke. I'm going to show you how to replace them. It's actually not too hard. They sell a bunch of replacements on Amazon. I will link them below. You can get guy, girl, multiple colors, multiple kinds. So I'm going to link it below. But what you want to do is just flip this upside down. And then you want to get something small, like a little flathead or like a knife or something. You're going to push that little bead backwards. It's like a little release lock. We're going to push it backwards like this. And then once you push it backwards, you have to hold it up, and then you'll be able to remove the band from the watch like that, kind of like this. And then you could just pull the other side out, no problem. That's how you do it. And then to put it on, you want to put the side without the lock in first. Just put this side in first over here, and then we're gonna try to get the part with the lock, that side in. So get the non-lock side in first, and then lift up that little bead again, that bead lock. And then once it's up, you can push this into place where it needs to be. Use two hands. You could have someone help you. I wouldn't use a knife like I'm using. In fact, I'm going to switch to something else. I switched to a little flathead. I'm going to do the other band now. This one came off real easy. I just lifted it up and pulled it off. And then when I went to put this one on, of course, put the one side in first, and then you want to lift this bead up and then push it into place, and then just let it go. Maybe you could help it get it back into place if you need to, and then just give it a little pull test, and then you're good.